After Jim's quadruple bypass, we both decided to retire. We realized that life was too short. We didn't want to continue to put off our dreams of traveling together any longer.
My recovery went really well, but every time there's a health scare like that, it really puts life in perspective.
Yeah, so we decided to travel the world. There was no better time than now.
In 1 year, we've been to Spain, Italy, Russia, and then we took 3 months off, traveled across the country. We saw Yosemite and Denver and the Red Rocks of Arizona. Oh, and all along the way, Polyfly was with us.
Our medical providers suggested this wheelchair to help make Jim's recovery easier. The first month, I took him everywhere. I took him to follow-up doctor's appointments, physical therapy, and we even visited friends.
And now we use it to travel. One of the reasons why I like it is because when I'm not feeling up to it, Victoria can push me, and when I feel stronger, then I can self-propel.
It has made our dreams of traveling together a reality.
Oh yeah, it definitely has. You know, I never knew that there was a wheelchair this durable and so easy to travel with. The Polyfly has large mag wheels that snap on and off. The wheels have anti-tippers on it and brake locks.
And it's so narrow, you can push it through cruise ship hallways. It's lightweight and it's easy to pick up and it folds easily.
I like bringing it on our adventures because we use it as a safety net. You know, we don't even use it most of the time, but it's just nice to know that it's there and it just gives you peace of mind. On the days that Victoria's not around, I use the Polyfly at home. The Doormatic makes it so easy for me to go from room to room. It's really a simple solution for someone in a wheelchair and really for everyday use. Like when we go shopping and we come home with all those bags of groceries in our hands, this is perfect.
The Doormatic uses a motion sensor, so we can set the speed and waiting time to open the door, or we can use a remote control.
And guess what? No tools and no drilling to install it. How happy were you when you found that out? And so was I. I didn't have to start a whole new construction project for installation. I mean, the Polyfly wheelchair and the Doormatic has made our lives so much easier.
Being able to travel the world and grow old together, what more could we want?
I want more trips.
More trips.
You never get enough.
More food.
That too.
How about Uganda?
The silverbacks.
The silverbacks, and maybe the Mediterranean cruise too.
Yes.
I'm so glad you're feeling better.